Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. It's Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and it's going to be right from 2nd of August 2021 till so on, like beyond, okay? The way I say and so on. So timeless readings, guys. Let's start. And the energy that is coming for you is that I picked up like there is some argument that happened possible, because I also picked while I was saying 2nd August, kind of like 2nd July, obviously the month, okay, the previous month kind of energy here, but also maybe something happened around that area, kind of like heated conversation or something with someone, okay, howsoever it fits you. Also I feel something is now that is coming to an end, which to me is saying the logic, okay, someone did put there, and also deciding on something which is about a breakthrough, which is also about we are done, okay. Libras. Now I was like just shuffling this deck, my own deck, and you have the top card as they just speak. So maybe just someone spoke, or they just speak, and that turns into argument possible, or that turned into way back into argument, however it fits you, okay. There is something that happened in July, I suppose, and you may had the call, you may have received the call, you had the conversation. If this person is near you, then you had the conversation, but you had the conversation, okay. Also I feel like sleepless picking, I'm picking the word sleepless, the possible sleepless nights, because of that kind of energy of 9 of swords. Let's just say that you have ace of swords energy. Look, they say when they are sticking together, main message, okay, something was not approved. 7 of wands and ace of swords energy. I feel like something was not approved, or also this was the conversation that I was talking about, and this was having like a defenses up kind of energy, push and pull. Someone was not understanding, or you, or howsoever between you both, if this was the conversation, it was not allowed, but then entered with the like with the push, okay, and then something stopped, like you're done, I'm done. This kind of energy is like I'm done with you, okay. Maybe this was with an Aries, a Leo, Sagittarius. I'm also hearing the word foolish approach, kind of someone possible thought of like believing someone too much, okay, or someone was playing this card of like not giving any expression here. This is kind of like a poker face. I feel that kind of energy. You also have 3 of swords energy. I'm hearing the word undecisive. Who was here? I don't know, you or the other energy. Also this may be someone's approach towards you, being with someone already. However, this can go vice versa, Libras. It's also heated conversation. Again, I'm telling you that. Like, this is a total chaotic misunderstanding, okay? Or this is someone in the picture. Now here, I feel like it was stopped. I also hear the word registration and all that stuff. So possible something was registered last week, last month, most probably last month, and I'm picking the date of kind of like 2nd July. But with this may be the energy of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. It's also connected with custody, because you had 3 of swords, so kind of like a separation or divorce energy is coming, though not necessarily that everyone is doing this, but it's something that you're putting stop to. Definitely you're putting stop to. You're not letting something go ahead. Just give me a pause and let me focus, okay. Libras. I'm hearing not hearing, I'm seeing bangles, okay, the way I am wearing bangles, I'm seeing a lot of bangles. So I see for some of you maybe very deep commitment, kind of like every stuff is there, okay. It's at one place, in one home, I'm sorry for that black, in one home, at one place, with one person, okay. That kind of commitment. It's also circular, like a karmic connection, however you fit with this. But I'm also hearing maybe some of you have business of this, bangles and all that sort, maybe online business, kind of like not just bangles and jewelry connected of all sorts, but again, bangles are here. I also see, I'm hearing, but you liked it, kind of energy. Look, Queen of Wands energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But you liked it, or someone like it. Okay, what's with bangles? I have this one question first. Let's just see from this. Okay, what's with bangles? I feel someone gifted you something, or they're going to. Because we're talking about the current energies and the proceedings with that as well. But with Eight of Wands energy, something happened very quick in your life. Someone left something somewhere. The stuff. Or something when you're packing, it's making sound like this. Okay? Or someone is wearing that and doing the stuff. So that the bangles are making sounds. Someone is in hurry here. Also messed. Two of Pentacles is a chaotic approach to something, or just having a puzzle time. It's also something that may be your travel, not organized, just doing it quickly for some purpose, possible work or love matter here. I'm hearing a lot, so maybe talk a lot, stuff a lot. This Eight of Wands is that kind of energy. It's also mobility, like moving. Maybe there's a Cancerian involved, not necessarily though, but this energy is definitely with a forward movement, but some of you are in so much of hurry doing that, talking very fast. Something is disorganized that you're organizing. Okay, and while I was shuffling this deck, there was also the card of on hold, so possible. Look, crows. This is about the message, the calling, and it is also something maybe connected with the love matter, where a lot of messages are coming. Again, this is crows energy. Eight of Wands, crows, a lot of messages, a lot of talk, a lot of decision. Okay, someone might be visiting you in the month of 8th. Look, this is 8, so travel in the month of 8th month. Okay, because this is from 2nd August and so on. So maybe in this whole month you're going to have certain plans, or someone is coming, someone is talking with you. Definitely someone is talking with you. And this is about the confession. So maybe someone will do confession here. Of what sort? It depends. What they did, how it's going between you both, that depends. Okay, I'm also hearing the word slide. So some of you are going to take the slide like this, like in one go. So this something is like either coming to decision, boom, or talking. And I feel with the crows, there's a lot in someone's mind, on someone's mind. They're going to talk about that. So that's why confession does go with that also. Someone is uneasy here. Now, if this is your energy, Libra, you need to take it easy. Yes, of course, it's going to be difficult, but take it easy. I feel like a lot is like pondering over on certain matters going in your life right now. It's also about how much I should rush, like how should I manage something, that kind of energy, because you have a lot on your mind and you are managing all that stuff. Or maybe because of someone's presence or messages, you're becoming uneasy. I'm hearing the word someone told me. So maybe this message will be passed on to you, or someone is telling you that someone told me, and that someone told them. They are going to transfer that news or message towards you, and that's why it's going to be uneasy. Okay, now there are two things. One, you want to take on this approach and you like this little bit of puzzle, like how to handle it. Okay, because if this is from a loved one, or something that you always wanted or desired, or it is actually there in and it is resolving, then this goes like, okay, I'm uneasy, but I'm going to handle it. It's also something that, look, that's on hold. I told you, something that is on hold. You see that? It's light in color, but it's on hold. I feel whatever is on hold, you people are taking it further, or you are taking it further. Ha, ha. Last story. So maybe You're having a conversation. If it is just about love matter, then you are having a lot of conversation, movement. I see uneasy, yes, of course, but you like that uneasy because it's going further. Proceedings, love story begins. Interesting. You have the Rider, Nine of Hearts energy. Okay, so we talked about like Nine of Swords and you have Ten of Swords. I feel the beginning that happened or the chaos that started is ending. First of all, it's like the cracking up, okay, and the final proceedings. It's ship, so definitely travel. You have the number 3 as well, which is about the connection. Someone is coming in connection with you or connectivity with you. I had this booklet. I wanted to read from that, but I feel that I kept somewhere. Usually I do like sometimes I read so just for a little bit of curiosity that people have. But with this energy, I feel this is like someone is an alpha energy, or maybe fix it with, for some cases, with a male vibe. Yeah, I feel that they're returning, and I do feel that they're coming home. This is a homecoming. Someone is tired of staying away. So this energy is about what went wrong, sour, and we're going to make it happen good. Okay, those ways that they are feeling or you are feeling. This is about I'm hearing final moves, and I picked up like, while I was focusing for you, I also had this energy of like something is coming, like a water, but not exactly so much of, but it's coming. So it may be the indication of someone's return or someone coming back or someone coming. It's also your energy of ending things that torments you, but this is a love story. Someone is uneasy and that's why they're looking forward, and they don't care if there are waves, they're just having the move. They also have this torque energy kind of, which to me is saying the new move, new journey, new beginning, new home. Possible some of you shifting. Eight of Wands, movement, travel, or just deciding on 2 places. Okay, that is also mess at times. You also have the key, opening the door. I heard the connection is going to be wise, or the decision is going to be wise. Figured out something that you figured out. Let's see in the love matter. Interesting energy. Please give us the energy. Here you go. So clear energy of heart-to-heart conversations. Interesting. So you have honestly discussed your feelings with each other. This is coming in the picture first of all. Okay, and it's also like whether you listen to me or not, I need to talk to you. Come on, open up towards me. Why you're not doing that? Because I feel this is the story of verses, which is about messages, then something kind of like 10 of Swords energy or anxiety, distance, then happening like an uneasy energy because it's verses. When I say verses, means in one go, one person was trying to reach or contact, talking, open up, and on the other, there is passion. The other person is trying. So I feel this when they wake up. It may be female or male energy, or however it fits you, with all love and honor and respect to you. This is faith. This is passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Yeah, I mean, interesting. Interesting, honey. Don't you feel that I'll be right? It's okay, okay. Page of Swords. And you know what? Need to discuss this stuff because before I started the reading, I was keeping my decks arranging, and then I was keeping this particular rider on the side, and this one card came out in a way and it slipped and was on the floor. So Page of Swords is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. This may be your energy itself, but this is something that was slipping, was not coming in like in contact or regulation or you know, something was not being reciprocated, or something was on like I'm on guard kind of energy. But there's also curiosity that is slipping again, and that's uneasy. Okay, and this is also the message coming. I feel there's a lot you people need to come in contact and talk. Souls and spirits. Oh, they are in hurry. Someone is in hurry. They can't wait. You have the magician and the high priestess. The combo is so great. Like someone is curious because they want to manifest something. No matter what, they have that feeling of no matter what, you are the other energy. And the other energy is like, okay, no matter what you're thinking right now, I need to get in contact with you and I need to talk with you. You've been through this, the Tower, or this is going to be unexpected. For me, Tower is an illegal building most of the times, and at times when they fix or they fit in the storyline. So an illegal building that should fall. But I also feel that you've been through this, and it's also something unexpected message, unexpected call, okay? Someone is deeply desiring to know what exactly you feel, and that's why they're going to message or call or however it fits you. And you might be feeling like they were chaotic, I should allow or not. But I feel like in your Tower, messages or messenger is knocking at the door. There may be a visitor because you also had the rider. I kind of feel like this is the power couple for some cases after this. Just give me a second. So maybe an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Things might have been cold between with this person, possible heated. Okay, you got this. And you people were in the hand situation of like a pause moment. Okay. Finally, I was right. So there is this ending and the beginning, okay? There may be a Scorpio, but with the death, the season of change is coming for you guys. And also you have Five of Wands energy, which is reversed. Good sign, okay? So finally we discuss and close this heated conversation. No arguments, nothing. This is like, I know that you want to talk to me. You know they want to talk to you. However this fits, okay? This is someone who is bringing this matter to the close. Whatever it is. We're done. We awaken. We know. We found the key, which is the solution. I hope guys this is going to help you. Take care and I love you. See you soon.